Most women don't struggle with money because they're bad at it. They struggle because the math quietly changed and nobody explained it. This isn't bad budgeting. This is expensive adulthood. You earn, you pay bills, you try to be responsible, and somehow it still feels tight. Your paycheck comes in. For a brief moment, life feels calm, organized, almost luxurious. Then rent, groceries, insurance, subscriptions you absolutely canceled, but apparently not spiritually. Something breaks. Someone needs something, and suddenly you're back at, did I miss a week? That's not a discipline problem. That's adulthood sending another invoice. We were taught a very simple story. Work hard, be responsible, save a little, and everything will work out. That story made sense when rent wasn't flirting with your entire salary and healthcare didn't require a strategy meeting. The rules changed. Housing grew faster than income. Stability became a luxury item. And being good with money now requires Olympic-level coordination. This is why it feels expensive. Not because you're worse with money, but because the margin quietly disappeared. A single woman isn't struggling because she budgets badly. She's struggling because one unexpected expense has the power to emotionally ruin her and financially finish her off in the same afternoon. A couple with two incomes still feels behind because the system assumes nothing ever goes wrong. No pauses, no setbacks, no life happened. Which is optimistic, at best. A freelancer can earn well and still feel unsafe because flexible income meets very rigid bills that do not care about creativity. Different lives, same pressure. This is why it never fully adds up. Still there? Cool. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's continue. Modern money isn't built for rest. It's built for movement, circulation, constant participation. Which means the system works best when people stay slightly uncomfortable. Not miserable, just alert, comfortable enough to function, stressed enough to behave. That's not a personal flaw, that's a business model. Here's the important part. You're not bad with money. You're navigating a system that quietly changed the rules and still expects applause. Understanding that doesn't fix everything. But it removes the shame. And when shame leaves, money feels lighter. Money gets lighter when you stop blaming yourself for systems you didn't design and start seeing them clearly.